The RIDGID 8Ah MAX Output EXP battery is the most powerful battery RIDGID has ever created, delivering extreme performance and longer runtime. Custom-engineered lithium-ion cells are larger, storing and delivering more energy per cell, powering high-demand tools with just one battery. ThermaGuard Technology monitors individual cell performance and temperature, keeping the battery cooler, running longer, and extending battery life. The 8Ah MAX Output EXP battery features a reinforced shell construction and 100% compatible design to work in any job site with any RIDGID tool. And with the industry's best lifetime service agreements backing, a battery that will last you for life guaranteed. Available at the Home Depot.